quarter 2, and we will gonna start this production by quarter 3. Our company is focused on the sustainable development. So for this, the supply chain management, the energy consumption, product design, as well as the very important is the carbon footprint. So please follow us on the LinkedIn, as well as we are available on all the major social media platforms on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Facebook. Some of the product offerings are right from residential series to commercial series. We are offering 0.7 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt in the residential segment, as well as from 25 kilowatt to 110 kilowatt in the commercial segment. Recently, in the last year in 2020, we have also launched our 1500 volt solution with 125 kilowatt as well as 255 kilowatt inverter. This 255 kilowatt inverter is equipped with the latest technology. Sorry, this 255 kilowatt inverter is equipped with the latest technology, with all the latest AI development, and you can monitor it, you can optimize your plant with the better generation. Apart from this, we are also having the storage solutions. So right from 3 kilowatt to latest offering is of 17 kilowatts. Apart from this, there are also the accessories such as the monitoring solution of data logger stick, data logger box, the EPM solution, which is the export power management solution, which is a need of ours in this. If you see, the lot of discoms are phase-wise, they are phasing out the net meter. So in that, the zero export solution is what the export power manager. It will help you out to seize out the power in terms you are not having the net metering in your region. Solis energy storage along with the smart monitoring solution will not only give you the backup power, but also it will give you the optimized power. You can optimize in terms of the saving. You can prioritize which energy source you want to use, the battery, the panels, the grid, depending on your region, which is which is more financially viable. We are having the maximum efficiency of 99% for our 1500 volt solution, which is a very good inverter in terms of the efficiency, having 99%. This is equipped with all the inverters are equipped with the 5th generation IGBT technology. A very good response from the Indian market as well as across the world, which we are having, is for our 80 kilowatt, 100 kilowatt, and 110 kilowatts. Some of our projects, prestigious projects, I'll just go through. This is the 6 kilowatt project which we have done in the Brazil. In Vietnam, we have done around 1 megawatt of project, which is with the 110 kilowatt. In US, we have done a 12 kilowatt solution, a residential project. In China, this is the biggest project which we have, is of 300 megawatts. And latest in the addition is the Tata Motors project at Pune. So it is a 6 megawatt project with our 80 kilowatt. Reliability being plays a very important role in the power electronic equipment such as the solar inverters. So if you talk about the reliability, we have got the National Enterprise Technology Center Award, which is continuously monitoring and improving our technology as well as our R&D. The R&D budget is also increased to 122% higher as in 2019 and now in 2020 it is increased to 122%. Our factory is totally vertically integrated, right from the SMT machine to the assembly line, anti-corrosion or the duration test to wave soldering, all is done under one roof. So this imparts the better reliability. The reliability of the components, you can see the best brand in components which we use, like Toshiba, we have TTT, Vishay, Texas Instrument, Infineon IGBT, or on semiconductors. Some of the top awards which we are having is DNVGL report, the Bloomberg listing, which we are the most bankable inverter, number 3 most bankable inverter from Asia. The EUPD research we have we have a consistency of more than 5 years of EUPD Sustainable Research Award, which we are having. DNVGL report of reliability imparts that how we are reliable in terms of the 25 plus years of investment which you have. The global footprints right from China to US to Mexico, the Latin America like Brazil, the Spain, all are wherever we are establishing our service team. We are having the best after sales service, after service. So you can always get in touch with anywhere you are around the world, the US, South Africa, Vietnam, anywhere you are, we will, you can get in touch with us. So thank you, everyone. I'll now give, in between what we'll have a short giveaway. And this giveaway, we will have 5 lucky winners, which will have, who has joined, who has first 5 people who has joined here will be getting this some giveaways. So let us see who has joined. So Mr. Abhishek Sharma, Mr. Chirag Shah, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Meghwal, Miss Usha Bera, Miss Gauri Sharma. So these are the top 5 winners who will get a giveaway, a surprise special gift for you. So you can drop in your details with our team will get back with you. So you can just type in your phone number and email ID. We will get back to you. So I'll again announce the 5 lucky winners. It's Mr. Abhishek Sharma, Mr. Chirag Shah, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Meghwal, Miss Usha Bera, Miss Gauri Sharma. So thank you, winners, and congratulations to all the winners. And now I give control to for the main session, that is Solis Cloud platform, to Mr. Saurabh Bera, who will guide you through. So Saurabh, over to you.
Thank you, Aniji. I'm sharing my screen. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Saurabh Bera from Technical Sales Support India. Is here to present to you the new Solis Cloud platform, that is migrating to a new intelligent monitoring platform. Hashtag Solis Cloud is easy. So Solis Cloud platform, we will see that how and new it is. new generation Solis monitoring system. The features are real-time monitoring, highly efficient O&M, operational and maintenance, remote control and upgrade, large screen display, accurate message push, intelligent alarm, large screen display. These all features will be available and can be accessed easily on our official website www.soliscloud.com and our official mobile apps on Solis Cloud for Android as well as iOS. Statistics and analysis functions, monitoring inverters real-time status, automatically calculating the generation and efficiency of the plant and individual devices, helping the site engineers to do troubleshooting quickly. The Solis Cloud adopts the advanced cloud platform with reliable data, convenient operation, and neat interface. Solis Cloud from Solis Home or Solis Pro. The earlier versions of Solis Home and Solis Pro had maintained all functions of Solis Home Pro, adding new functions, organization management, IV curve scanning, dispersion rate analysis, warranty inquiry. These all features are available on our Solis Cloud. It supports all series Solis data loggers like S3, S4, Wi-Fi, G1, G2 loggers of 4G inverters, G3, G4, GPRS, and other future coming products. Solis Cloud and Solis Home or Pro are two separate monitoring systems where users can transfer the data from Solis Home or Solis Cloud to data migration function. Solis team can respond to inquiry and demand from the customers, which can be helpful to optimize the functions and user experience continuously. Here we can make a note that it only supports Solis inverters. Some customers may have their own monitoring platform and want to use new data loggers like so. It requires customer monitoring system to transmit the application programming interface from the Solis Cloud. Advantages and overview of the Solis Cloud. Advanced cloud platform with reliable data. Safe and reliable connection, communication capabilities, download connection to a large number of devices, smooth communication with multiple data backups, automatic expansion on demand, and convenient application. Second is the neat interface and great user experience. The layout is clearly differentiable with user operation simple. Platform functions are very much free for the users to use. It supports different types of plans with classification management, intelligent alarm, accurate message pushing, efficient O&M, intelligent false alarm, IV curve scanning, dispersion analysis, precise location of string analysis, support remote control applications too. System lifecycle management, multi-dimensional real-time monitoring. This feature helps to build the plants and bonding devices quickly, supporting multi-dimensional monitoring as plant level, device level, or inverter level, with the also along with string level to grasp the operation status in timely manner. Value-added service, flexible debugging tools. All these features can be just given only on a one-click warranty to inquiry service. Safe operation information can be checked and traced out with support near-end Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi connection, and device debugging. So these are all the advantages of the Solis Cloud. Organization structure. There are two types, user type and structure on web-based. User type will group of organization type, end user, Solis internal types. Organization type can be of distributor or can be of installer too, where the asset management can be done, monitoring can be done with O&M activities statistically and analyzing. End user will also be available to do asset management and monitoring. Solis internal team will also have the option to check all the points of plants and devices monitoring O&M activities, statistics, and analysis. Supporting structures, this structure is providing you creating organization to satisfy using the scenarios of distributor of multi-group and multi-department within one company. Distributor can have sub-distributors or sub-installers like installer 1, 2, 3 can be grouped down. Main company can also provide sub-company 1, sub-company 2, sub-company 3 and so on. Installer can also provide in different types of department, O&M department, cleaning department, other can be added sequentially. These are the real-time monitoring images where we can see easily on our Solid Cloud app. Like for residential plant, this is for commercial plant, and this is for energy storage plant. These all features are available on our Solid Cloud app. Further going on, we have multi-level plant monitoring with plant overview, plant listing, and details. Plant overview will provide you the energy yield on the main page of overview page. Plant listing, we can list n number of plants in one account or ID, and the details of the project will be on the details overview, showing you the plant yield, generation yield, daily earning, monthly earning, and so on details. Real-time monitoring also provides the inverter monitoring, data logger monitoring, EPM, that is export power management monitoring, weather station, and the third-party meters can also be monitored through our Solid Data Cloud. To monitor these devices, the parameters can be generation yield, power, voltage, current, frequency, and IGBT temperature too. So these features can easily be accessible on the web page as well as on our Solid Cloud app. Intelligent O&M, that is operational maintenance. Solid Cloud is intelligent, as we are seeing, we can tell like that intelligent alarm or real-time alarm function message push can be done to notify the user to solve the alarm in real time. The alarm can be of different types: emergency, important, or hint. All these alarms can be provided from the notification of owner's alarm are closed by default. Installer alarm notification is turned on, push notification by default, and email notification is closed. Here we can see. To view the location, just below the notification of the alarm notification window, you can set the time zone and your location will be set up. Second is the IV curve scan, the current voltage scanning method. This method can be just be able to view only for web page in O&M section on our Solid Cloud. It provides the scanning suggestion before starting the scanning. It is suitable for our newly developed 5G three-phase devices with Solid developed data loggers. Here in this IV curve scanning method, we can view the string configuration, radiation parameters. Inverter with IV curve function can be checked using the physical examination. Only physical examination of the single crystal or polycrystal module is supported. Please make a note that the single household inverter with optimizer function will not be available for this IV curve scanning technique. Dispersion rate analysis, the bar charts, the graphs, these can be available from the web page in O&M section. Data analysis on a single inverter string can be analyzed using the analyze the each string method with DC power difference and accurately locate the fault. which helps to the on-site going engineers to do the troubleshooting quickly. This can helpful be to select the specific string to do the analysis, and these data can be downloaded too. Now comes the feature of remote control. This feature is very much useful and can be helpful for the O&M activities and can be used only after the exemption agreement is signed from the EPC or the other team who are responsible for the Solis Cloud logging in option. In details inverter control option, remote control function can be used. It can be used for on-off option, setting inverter parameters such as standard and other power factor, power limiting, etc. Advanced settings are only open to internal personnel only. Statistics and analysis. Statistic report and functional report. These reports helps us to download the export the multidimensional reports, realizes the data analysis function of the plant devices. This feature is also available only for our web page for organization and for owner. For organization, 3 types of reports can be downloaded, like generation report, plant history report, inverter report, and for owner, 2 kinds of reports can be downloaded, plant report and inverter history report. For all these reports, the time dimension will be day, month, and year, and with total parameters. Plant report can also be exported with the user-defined items or the parameters. Next comes the warranty or the message center, MSG. The message center function is available on the overview window on the right top corner, which reminds the user of the system updated message like service notifications, etc. The type of message can be system update, maintenance notice, real-time status of work order developing. System update or maintenance notice will push a message notification box to customer. So this will help the Solis Cloud owners, plant ID owners, to look in for the particular message and do the regular checking. And also it will give the idea of any particular bulletin which is being carried out on backend. Warranty inquiry. One click to obtain the warranty period. This function can be available just by clicking on the Me option in the Me option and enter the inverter serial number to obtain the inverter's warranty period. Solis Cloud can also be useful for local commissioning by Bluetooth connection. Realize the Bluetooth commissioning function on off-grid hybrid inverter and all-in-one energy storage inverter. This option can be useful with Me Tool local debugging option. For all future inverters which needs the local debugging, will have the same entrance. Local commissioning can also be done using Wi-Fi commissioning tool. The function carries out the same parameters. It will realize the local Wi-Fi commissioning series for some series of the inverter, and this can be used using the Me Tool local debugging method, and it supports currently the AC coupled models. For all future models which need the local debugging function, the future entrance will be same, and it is in developing phase. Solis Cloud gives us the perfect view of all the parameters on single screen. That is large screen display for multiple plants as well as large screen display for single plant too. This can be viewed on the organization ID, where the client can view 6-month data on a single page, weekly data, weather data, location, full lead time, hours ranking, yield-wise generation. Every single sort of data can be viewed on single screen, which helps us, which helps the Solid Cloud ID plant owners to verify their plants easily. Now, explaining the data migration, I would provide you with a small sort of video which will help to understand, and I will later on continue with the further presentation. Yes, as we have seen, users can migrate data from Solid Home or Solid Pro platform to Solid Cloud platform by using the data migration function. Three key pointers that needs to be noted, that is, it includes all existing functions of Solid Home or Solid Pro, that Solid Cloud can optimize the user experience continuously and responds to the demands quickly to finish the upgrades of the platform. Data migration can only support one-way migration. Hence, we need to know that if the clients have done the migration successfully, they cannot use both platforms together, but continuously can use the Solid Cloud in future. Solid Cloud support Solid Data Logger, including the new Wi-Fi data loggers and the old ones too. But the Solid Home or the Solid Pro platform will not support the Solid Data Logger, which are new ones. You just have to click on the professional or pro option to migrate the data. The data migration steps can be in sequence, like basic data, plant listing. It can be done within after data migration. It will be showing in 10 minutes after the migration. Data such as daily, monthly, or yearly, or energy and numbers of the plant in the account, it will just be shown in 2 hours after the migration. Also, the retail data in 3 months, including the voltage, current, frequency, and other parameters, will be shown in 2 hours after the migration. The migration method will be for the clients who are new to Solid Cloud. Just download the Solid Cloud app or log on to Solid Cloud website. Directly enter the Solid Home Pro account and password. Data migration will be finished automatically. For clients who are already using Solid Cloud but still have some historical data on Solid Home or Pro, the steps would be they can use the data migration tool to migrate the historical client data to Solid Cloud accounts. Finally, the Help Center will have the function called Display User Manual. Here, the organization manual and the owner's manual can be downloaded in PDF format files. This is me thanking you and signing off from the presentation. For any queries and other inquiries, you can mail me at saurabh.b@solisinverters.com. For any other queries, I would request our live audience to have their questions on the message box, or they can mail me too.